Did you know that pears are actually a member of the rose family, just like apples and raspberries? Pears are one of those fruits that's often overlooked, but they're incredibly delicious and packed with significant health advantages. Whether you enjoy them on their own, in salads, or as part of a dessert, pears are definitely worth exploring further. Pears have been a staple fruit in many cultures for centuries, and for good reason. They're a nutrient-rich food, providing a good source of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Historically, pears have been consumed in various forms, from fresh to dried, and have been prized for their health benefits. One of the amazing benefits of eating pears is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion, and pears are an excellent source. They also contain a range of antioxidants, including vitamin C and copper, which help protect against cell damage and oxidative stress. Additionally, pears are rich in vitamins, including vitamin K and potassium. They even contain a range of phytonutrients, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. The fiber content in pears can help regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support healthy blood sugar levels. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in pears have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline. The vitamin C in pears can also help boost the immune system, while the potassium content supports healthy blood pressure. Furthermore, pears have been shown to have a prebiotic effect, helping to feed the good bacteria in the gut. Incorporating pears into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. By supporting healthy digestion, reducing inflammation, and providing essential vitamins and minerals, pears can help you feel more energized, focused, and resilient. Regular consumption of pears may also reduce the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Overall, pears are a nutritious and delicious addition to a balanced diet. Many health experts agree that fruits like pears are essential for maintaining a healthy diet. They're a great source of essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, making them an excellent choice for snacking, cooking, or adding to meals. In summary, pears are an amazing fruit that offers a range of health benefits, from supporting healthy digestion to reducing disease risk. They're a nutritious and delicious addition to a balanced diet, and are definitely worth incorporating into your daily routine. If you love pears as much as I do, I'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite pear recipes or health tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating videos, and I'll see you in the next one.